Transferring money from COMBANK Digital to a commercial bank is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, what you need to do is log in to your COMBANK Digital account through the website or mobile application. After that, here you will get to see a transfer section. So, go to the transfer section. Select Commercial Bank as the transfer destination. Here, enter the recipient's name, commercial bank account number, and account type. Enter the transfer amount and select the currency. Choose the transfer fee option, shared or to be paid by the recipient. Review the transfer details and confirm the transaction. Enter your COMBANK Digital PIN or use the biometric authentication method, for example, fingerprint or Face ID, and then complete the transfer. So this way you can easily transfer money from COMBANK Digital to a commercial bank.